How to create the landing pages using Taplink.cc. Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me on this video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how we can create the landing pages using the Taplink.cc. Alright, so let's get into the video. The first thing you do is you come to your web browser, then you type in the Taplink.cc and search for it. So you allow it to load, and then you click on the part that says create tap link for free. All right, so then you see the parts where they said input your email. So you go there and then you type in the email you'll be using to register or to create this tap link landing page. Okay, so I'm using this email and let's get started. So you allow it to open up. Alright, it's showing like this because I've actually started making a design before this video. So let me just go back. So when you come in for the first time, it's going to show you different predefined templates for you to choose from. So we are just going to select one and then we'll start working with it. All of them are nice, all of them are beautiful. So you select one that matches or fits perfectly well with the color of your brand. Okay, so let's select this one and then you click on the part that says choose. So you allow it to load, and then you come to the thumbnail where your profile picture is supposed to be located. You click on it and then it will give you an option for you to be able to upload your profile picture or upload an image. So you tap on upload image. Okay, so we'll be using this logo here as our profile picture. So this is it. You adjust it to fit perfectly well in the space provided. Okay, then you tap on save changes. Okay, now we have successfully uploaded a profile picture. So you tap on okay. You can also increase the avatar size. If you don't want it to be as tiny as this, you can use any of these options here. Any of the options, you can see the more I click on it, the more the size increases. This is 150 by 150. So the other one is 125 by 125, and the next is 95 by 95. So choose anyone that fits into your design. So let's just preview this, which is 95 by 95. Okay, so we'll save the changes. All right, you can see how it's looking. It's beautiful, right? Okay, so then on your brand name, all you need to do is just come, you click on it, and then you'll be able to edit it. You'll be able to edit it like this. Okay, so let's just say on this part, all you need to do is just impute the name of your brand. Okay, now the name of my YouTube channel is Efe Review. So let's just put something like Efe Review here. So Efe Reviews, right? So we'll save the changes. We can change the color of the text. Let me go back to it again. We can actually change the color of the text. You see it here. Let me use my pen to draw it so that you can see this part here. Okay, then you can also change the text style. But when I click here, you see the format of the text. Do you want it to be bold, on italic, or strike through or underlined? So you choose any one like that. Then you can actually choose the alignment. Do you want it to be in the left side, the center, the right, or you want it to be justified? You can do that also. Then you can change the font style. Yes, you can change the font style from this part. So I think I like this one. So let's take this one. Or you can take any other one. Just go through, like, have fun doing this. Have fun doing this. It's really interesting. Just choose anyone that befits you and that portrays what you're actually creating. Okay, now this is it. So I'm going with this. And also, you see this green color or this environment that is colorful. You can actually change the color by coming to section. Look at section up above here. This. So you come to section and then you can edit all that. So when you come to section, the first thing you will do is you come to this part that says section off. So you turn it you select the section which is primary section. Okay, so once you have selected it like that, you see that every other thing is activated, and then you can come and select the background color. You can choose any color here, and then it will match with what you're having above there. So let's just choose this and apply. Okay, so even the text, the part of the text, you can actually edit it also. The link, you can edit it, and all the other ones like that. So let's just save the changes and preview what we've done. Can you see? Isn't it looking beautiful? Yes. All right, so you can add links to your page. Let's remove, and you can actually remove some panels or blocks from this page. You can add and you can remove. Now for you to be able to remove, you come here, you click on it. Okay, sorry. Alright, so you click and hold, then you see the options that will pop up, like delete to achieve, duplicate, edit, choose, or the rest. So if you want to actually delete that block, so you click on delete, and then you confirm it. Okay, now you can see that part is no longer there. Okay, so then you can put your about, like what do you do, what do you want people to know you for. So you click on about me there, and it will bring you to this part where you can now write let's say anything that describes what you do, basically. Like let's say I create easy understandable how to videos. I hope you understand. Anything that describes what you do is what you place there. Then you don't want this to be clickable. It's just a description of you. So you save the changes. Okay, so this is actually a link block, and that is why it's showing that we must fill in the link. But you can remove this. Yes, let's go back without saving. So you can remove that block and then make it just a text block, so that you don't they don't have to click on it. Like you don't have to put a link where it will be clickable. So all you need to do is just hold it again. You click and hold, then you delete it. All right, so you can delete it like this. Then you come to this part where they wrote add block. So you click on it, and then you select. You can see the different kind of blocks you can add. Do you want to add your banner, your timer, your page? You want to add forms, you want to add music? But each of these fall into different categories. You know, we are using the free version of this. We are not paying any money, so we cannot add messaging app, the video. All this you can do when you have subscribed, and then you'll be using the pro version of it. You can now add all this part that says pro. Then if you are actually using the business version of this, that's where you can add form and payment, then timer and page. So we are just basically sticking to the options that is enabled for us, which is just adding text, adding links. Like you can add link to your social media platforms, you can add your avatar, you can add your, like, anyhow you can actually design this and it will be looking so beautiful. So let's click on text, because we just want to add description and we don't want them to click this. Like it should not be clickable. It's just something that describes what we're actually doing. So let's just say I create easy how to videos. You understand? Just something that describes what you are doing, and you can centralize it using the alignment. You can change the text style, change the text color, and every other thing like that. So you save the change. Then, as you can see, because we added it last, it will be appearing below, but no worries about that. What you do is click on the 3 nodes there and then drag it upwards. Yes, can you see now? And then we can change it from being transparent, which is the background, to let's say, what color will I use now? Let's just use maybe this color. we're just playing with this, okay? So make sure you use something nice for your own. All right, okay, that one is affecting the text. Okay, so we are changing the text color. Then I told you, if you want to change the background color, you come to section, you activate the block, and then you choose a color. Okay, so let's use this color, maybe to be fine. So you can see now, I just do something beautiful. Then you can talk about other things. Then you see where they wrote contact me and the rest. You can begin to add your social media handles. You can add more links. You add a link, then let's say we are using Facebook. I create, okay, let's say lifestyle. Okay, then you go to okay, so we are choosing website. So what you do now is go to Facebook, then you copy your Facebook address, yes, the web address. So you come back here and then you paste it here. I hope you understand. So once you are done, you can also come to the thumbnail. See thumbnail above there, where after the link there's a part known as thumbnail. So go to that part and then you type Facebook. We want to get the Facebook icon. Okay, so you see it. Then there is also another part known as setting the section too. Do you want the color? You know, Facebook background is usually blue, so you can come activate the section. Then maybe you change the background color to blue, yes, so that it can actually match that of Facebook. Okay, so you save the changes. All right, so it will not allow you to save it because this part of the link you have not added it. So you go to Facebook and then you add a link. Let me just add any link from my clipboard here. Okay, let me just add a link here. But remember, I said go to Facebook, add a link. So can you see now? It's showing the logo and then it's showing Facebook, and I wrote lifestyle as a subheading, you know, describing what I do on Facebook. Maybe I post just pictures or items about my lifestyle. So that's it. So you can actually change this the color of the text. Yes, you can change. Go to section, then you come to text. You see the area they wrote text, so you can change the color of the heading. As a part I wrote Facebook to white, and then the part I wrote lifestyle also, you can change it to white. All right, so you can actually change the font styles here also. Let's say we are using this for the headline and this lato for the text. Okay, so let's save changes so that you see the effect. I'm reloading it so that you see how it looks. Please, let's go back. Okay, so you also do that for the links. So white, and then the subtitle color to the white, and then you save it. Now can you see? Alright, so you see this other part that is showing white, we can change it back to the blue color, because maybe we don't want that part to be white. I don't think we want it. Okay. No, just play with it, like add anything. Is it your YouTube channel you want to add? You can add it the same way I showed you to go and search for thumbnail for that of Facebook. You search for YouTube and then you see, let me just do that, add a block, you choose link. Remember, you want this block to be clickable, that's why we are using link. So let's just say subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so the subtitle should be everything on education. I'm just saying now, so you know what you're actually doing on your YouTube channel. So that's what you put here. Okay, so you go to your YouTube channel, then you copy the address that is shareable. So you bring it here and fix it in this part. So the thumbnail, you come to thumbnail and then you type YouTube. Just type YouTube here. Don't add space to the letter, okay? So you can see different thumbnails. So you choose any one that you want, and then you also go to section, effects the changes, and that is it. That is it. Okay? So we are not saving this. So the same thing. Is it WhatsApp you want to add? Add it. Is it Twitter? Add it. And then once you add this link to maybe a profile like the Instagram profile or the Twitter, people can actually locate you directly to any of these other handles. Hope you understand. This is just a landing page that helps people connect with you faster. Instagram allows just for one link and then that of Facebook. So, but this one can give you access to imputing different links there. Do you sell? Do you have a website? You can add it here. Do you have a blog? Anything you have that is clickable that people can actually locate you through, you can fix it here, and then you are done. Right? So when you're actually done modifying your page, alright, so let me just do this, and okay, the same thing. So you put in the website, the online store. Let me just delete this because we don't need this in this tutorial. Okay. You can play around with this. You see, even this part, let me draw with my pencil. You see this part? You can change it and make it look let me remove this. Okay, so look at it. When we want to add that, look at it, that's the delimiter. You can choose it and then you choose anything you want to be in it. This one is just plain line. This one has time between. We can choose anything that we want to be inside of it. Once you click on that part that has style in between, it will give you a variety. You can see there are much. Any design you want to appear in between the lines, you can see. So we can choose maybe the heart shape, these downward arrows, like anything. Let me choose this and apply it. Okay. Then we save the changes. Can you see now? So we can actually come here and delete this one. Hope you see. And you can still place it in between the other ones like this. Hope you can see it. Right, so everything you want to create in this place is possible. Just be creative and do what will look so beautiful and attractive when people get into your landing page, and it will direct them straight into any of the places you want them to be. Alright, so when you are done with all your designs, you can just come to these arrows. You can see the road gets the link for your website and share on social media. So you come to this forward arrow here. Let me use my pencil to draw it. Alright, so you choose this first one, which is the forward arrow. Okay, so you click on it. Sorry about that. So you click on it and then you publish it. But first, before you publish it, you write the name of your username, like what will be appearing there. So let us say if a review. You understand? Then you can click, you can change it to Taplink.cc, Taplink.ws, anyone. Like, just choose your domain name. We are dealing with the free version, so you leave it on Taplink.cc. So you click on connect. You can see, so it has been saved successfully. Now we can copy this, paste it on the browser, and we'll see what we have done. Or we can share it on Twitter, share it on TikTok, share it on Instagram, share it on whatever platform. People will come to your page and see what you have done. But if you want to review what you have done, look at it. You come to this I button here. You see the way it looks like. So if you design it very well, this is exactly how your page, your landing page will be looking like. Isn't it beautiful? Alright, so once you are done and you are satisfied, then you can click on publish, and then it will go to air. Like, anywhere they click the link now, it will open up your details for the person. Alright, so that is it. Let me show you an example of this landing page. Let me show you an example of this landing page. Okay, so I'm taking you down to Twitter so that you get to see my landing page and see how it can look if you do this successfully. Can you see I added it to my profile? So once you click on it, you can see the beautiful thing I've done here. So you too can do it. Just take your time and do your designs. It's very beautiful, very beautiful. Alright, thank you so much. If you found this video helpful and useful, please don't forget to drop a like for me. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, because I do videos like this that will help you to be able to create things with ease using your smartphone. So you will not want to miss out on that. So subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so you get informed whenever I post a video. You'll be the first to get it. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you.